Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1-inch special head unit Android system, Android Point 0 Oreo system from Honda Civic 2016 to 2017 years. Okay, here is the box. Let me open the box. You can check head unit with good condition and okay, let me remove the head unit to introduce the harness. You can check this as harness special for Honda Civic. You can check this compass box Civic 2016 year, 2016 to 2017. Okay, let me show. This is radio antenna. Radio antenna, you can check. Okay. Okay, and this connector. Okay, this is a special harness. This is the install kit. Install kit with a screw. Okay, this is GPS antenna. This is USB cable, two USB cable, external microphone. Okay. You can check this cable. Okay. External microphone. Camera input. This is an AUX cable. AUX left and right. Okay, and video input. Okay, this is audio cable, subwoofer. Okay, It's video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this audio can move front, rear, left and right. Okay, let me show the head unit. This is drum agent. Okay, you can check. This is head unit. Okay, side you can check. So right side. Okay, left side. Okay, and here is the radio antenna, Wi-Fi, connectors, fuse, power, GPS antenna. Okay, let me check. We power 12 voltage. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, header unit will be started. Here is GPS card slot. Okay, this is UI interface. It's run octa-core, very fast response. Okay, let me check the. You can install wallpaper. Okay, already installed. And let me check the settings. System. About machine, you can check PX5 octa-core rack chip, and Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay. Back to home. You can change this button color with gray, blue, orange, yellow, the white. You can adjust any color in these buttons. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Here is reset hole and the microphone. Okay, thank you.